How to log in into personal tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of how to log in tutorials, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into personal tax account. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the personal tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites, click on the very first website that says personal tax account sign in or setup. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here you can see some sort of information that may be useful before you start your process. So keep on scrolling and here you will see this start now button. Click on it. Now finally, here you need to enter your government gateway user ID and password in order to sign in into your account. In case you have forgotten your gateway user ID or your password, you can tap on any of the options below the problem signing in option. So simply enter all of your details and finally click on sign in option. And with that, you will be logged in into your account. So that's all in this very easy and simple way you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.